usapan
kanina.
Personally, professionally, I see what you do and nationally. Let me know what if we say that you want to give it to me, give it to me radically. Emotionally, psychologically, you tell me what you're biologically, sexually, romantically, sexually. The things you think about, you're dancing on, you got me high. And if you want to try, we can do it tonight. Cause I need the mood, I show this a feeling. Always in the spirituality, one is the teacher, that's the logically, internationally. About Rama, for the dictionary. Saga, she know me, she she know the things within my mind. When I see you dancing, girl, you got me high. And if you wanna try, we're gonna go deep tonight. Cause I'm in the mood, I should have said feeling, I go deal with you. Personally, I will deal with you. Personally, I will deal with you.